Hi guys, so today we're going to make some mango lassi. So let me tell you the instructions. So you need to cut off some mangoes, really ripened mangoes. Cut it off into pieces. And then add a little bit of yogurt. Yogurt in the mango and into the blender. And then add with some sugar. So let's get blending. So let's add some mangoes. Now let's add some yogurt. That should be enough. Ooh, that's perfect. Now, some sugar. Now I have everything in the blender. Mangoes, the yogurt, and the sugar. So let's get blending. So let's put it here. Now I've blended it. So let's pour it into a cup. See the results. There we go. Just look at that. Now, let's pour it into a cup. That should be enough. Now, let's taste test it. This is very good.